Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Hopefully you are fine too. 3 class student, this is 6th lecture from geography section, unit number 1, chapter number 4, our country. Dear students, open your social studies book 3. Open page number 18. Chapter number 4, our country. All the land on the earth is divided into countries. Look at this map. The world is divided into many countries. Countries are formed by people. Countries are separated from each other by borders. You can see in this map, these are lines which divide the countries, which separated the countries, and these lines are called borders. There are 193 countries in the world. Each country has its own language and its own customs. There are many people in the world, more than 7 billion. It means the population of the world is 7 billion. The people in a country are called its population. Or we can define population as the number of people in an area. Pakistan's population is over 207 million. Now come on page number 19. Look at this map. This is a map of Pakistan, and it is showing the neighboring countries or the countries to which Pakistan shares its border. You can see Iran in the west, Afghanistan in the northwest, China in the northeast, and India in the east. And Arabian Sea is located at the south of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces. Number 1, Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This is Islamabad, and Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan, and it is located in the capital territory. This is where the government of the country has its offices. The territory of Gilgit-Baltistan, this is Gilgit-Baltistan, and it is administered by the government of Pakistan, and Gilgit is the main city of Gilgit-Baltistan. In the north of Pakistan, this is the north of Pakistan, there are high mountains covered with snow, deep valleys, and thick forests. And in the west and to the east, there are deserts. It means in the west and in the east of Pakistan, there are deserts. In the south and in the center of the land is much flatter. The great river Indus and its smaller rivers flow through this part of the country. That is, in the plain of Pakistan, river Indus flows. The land here is very fertile. The land near the river is very fertile, which means good crops such as wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and rice can be grown. In the plain areas or flatter areas of Pakistan along the river Indus. Now, dear students, open page number 20. Our national identity. The people of Pakistan are called Pakistanis, and we are proud of our beautiful country. Here are 2 children, Yasmin and John. Both have different nationalities. Yasmin lives in Karachi, and she is a Pakistani citizen. John lives in London, which is the capital city of United Kingdom, and he is a British citizen. Yasmin and John are both children, but they are different in many ways. They live in different countries, their clothes are different, they like different foods, they speak different languages. Yasmin speaks Urdu and John speaks English. And they follow different religions. Yasmin belongs to the religion of Islam, whereas John belongs to the religion of Christianity. We say that they each have a different national identity. The citizens of Pakistan have their own national identity. Their national flag is green and white and has a white crescent and star. No other country has a flag like this. Look at the national anthem and the flag of our country Pakistan. Now dear students, come on page number 21. We have our own national anthem. We stand up straight and sing it with great pride. Pakistanis are free to follow any religion, but most of the Pakistanis are Muslims. Islam is our state religion. Our national dress is shalwar kameez, but we also wear other clothes like shirts and trousers and saris. We have many things in common with our fellow Pakistanis. We share same history because our parents, grandparents and great-grandparents lived in this land and helped to make it a great country. We all eat similar food, have similar names, speak and the same language and use the same money. All these things give us a common identity. Our national identity make us proud to be a Pakistanis. Some things which we give us our national identity. National game, hockey, national language, Urdu, and national currency, rupee. Dear students, this is the reading of chapter number 4, unit number 2. Dear student, these are some book reading questions of chapter number 4 with page number. Dear students, write these questions on the relevant pages, that is 81 and 21. Later I will mark the answer of these questions on your book. Dear students, open page number 18 and mark the book reading answers of book reading question. Question number 1, define border. The answer is countries are separated from each other by borders. The question number 2 is define population. The answer is the people in a country are called its population. Mark these answers on your own book on page number 18. Now dear students, open page number 21. Question number 3 book reading is what do we do in respect of national anthem? Answer is we stand up straight and sing it with great pride. The question number 4 is what is our religion? The answer is Islam is our state religion. Question number 5, what is our national dress, game, language and currency? The answer is our national dress is the shalwar kameez. National game, hockey, national language, Urdu, and Pakistani currency is rupee. Mark these all questions on your book. Dear students, these are the blanks of chapter number 4 from 1 to 8. Learn these blanks by heart. Now take out your notebooks for exercise questions. Note down exercise questions. Dear students, these are exercise questions. Question number 1, in which part of Pakistan do we have a coastline? Answer, we have a coastline to the south of Pakistan. 2, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? Name them. Answer, there are 4 provinces in Pakistan: Sindh, Punjab, KPK, Balochistan. 3, which countries share border with Pakistan? India in the east, China in the northeast, Iran in the west and Afghanistan in the northwest. 4th question, describe Pakistani flag. Our flag is green and white and has a crescent and a star. Question number 5 is, which crops are grown in Pakistan? Wheat, sugarcane, cotton, rice are grown in the river Indus Valley. Question number 6 is, what things do most Pakistani have in common? Answer, we share the same history, we eat the same food, have similar names, speak the same language and use the same money.